Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to OnePlus 11. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now you need to do exactly the same on both devices. I will start with Xiaomi. Tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then on OnePlus, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and receive Next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on OnePlus, you need to scroll down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go to an Android. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one. Then click on Send. So sorry, misclick. Click on Send at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. From here, you need to select the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to input key. Choose while using the app or only this time. And point your device's camera at the code. If you want to, you can always go back, input this key in input key section instead, and then connect using receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, in the matter of seconds, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!